Yeah. Okay. All right. That's okay. Right. We can really, does he need to be here or, like, I mean, is it best if he is here? Okay. 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 If for some reason we can't find like a time that works for all of us, I can always like use Jonah's camera or somebody's camera to record it, and then if he has any questions about it, you know, what we talked about, I can get in touch with you. If you know, if nothing else, but really any other time this week would be fine. I don't think the only thing I have is 2 o'clock on I believe it's Friday.